if you want to set a photo as a wallpaper on Xiaomi 15T or 15T Pro, what you can do is we can go to the gallery. Now let's wait a couple of seconds, and over here, once you open the gallery, you can tap on any photo that you wish to set as a wallpaper. At the bottom right corner, we have these three dots, so we're gonna tap on them, and then we should be able to find the set as wallpaper option. After that, we can adjust the wallpaper, of course. We can zoom in and zoom out as we wish. We also have lock screen effects, of course. You can also tap once on the wallpaper in order to switch the preview to the home screen, where we can also find some additional effects. And then we can tap on apply in the upper right corner. Of course, we can set the wallpaper for the lock screen or home screen or both. So let's say I'm going to choose for both. And after a couple of seconds, we should be able to have our new home screen and lock screen wallpaper, depending how you have chosen. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.